What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be answering the question, is Google Play Store on the LG Smart TV? Now in case you do not know, this is actually part of our question and answer session where we basically answer your questions about smart TVs generally. So if you have any question about any smart TV, you can drop it on the comment section and I'm going to definitely answer you there. And if it is a question that a lot of people are asking, I'm going to make a video just like this one over here. Now let's quickly dive into the video. Is Google Play Store on the LG Smart TV? Now LG actually has their own operating system, which is known as the WebOS operating system. This WebOS operating system has its own app store. So basically there is an app store on the LG Smart TV, but this is not the Google Play Store. This app store actually allows you to download apps from different categories, games app, music apps, and even movies apps as well. And to download any app on your LG Smart TVs, you can just go ahead and open up the LG WebOS app store and then select the app you want to download and then just download and install it into the TV. However, this is not actually the Google Play Store, and because you need the Android operating system for you to be able to run the Google Play Store or even any Android app or APK on your LG Smart TV, you can't actually download, install, or get the Google Play Store on your LG WebOS Smart TV. However, there is actually a solution that works, and that will be to use Android TV sticks and boxes on your LG Smart TV. Basically, once you get any of those TV sticks and boxes, you can just connect it to the HDMI port on your LG Smart TV, and automatically you can now get the Google Play Store from that particular Android TV box and then just use it on your LG Smart TV. But basically, you're not getting the Google Play Store into your LG WebOS Smart TV. You're basically getting the Google Play Store that is on the Android TV stick or box that is being connected to your LG Smart TV. Now there are lots of these Android TV sticks. I have some of them over here. Over here I have the Fire TV stick, is also an Android TV stick. There is the Xiaomi TV stick as well, and even over here I have the Xiaomi TV box as well. You can go ahead and get any of these. I'm going to be leaving links to these devices in the description of this video, and once you connect it to your LG WebOS Smart TV, you can now get the Google Play Store. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.